Industry 4.0 is the newest industrial revolution and the future of manufacturing. Work on state-of-the-art training equipment that dives into AC/DC electricity, fluid power, machine tools, mechanical drives, electrical relay control, computer-aided design and manufacturing, CNC machine operation and programming, materials engineering, electrical fabrication, plastics and mold design, welding, and lean manufacturing. Technology is rapidly transforming the workplace, and in order to ensure that companies have the highly skilled workers they need, and workers are prepared for success in an Industry 4.0 world, you will learn the future today in the Advanced Manufacturing Program. Detail, customize, paint. In the Automotive Collision Repair Program, you can become the repair specialist and airbrush artist, restoring and repairing all types of vehicles. Master the MIG welder, plastic welding techniques, and step into the global ultra finishing paint booth. Light fender benders or major collisions, you'll learn how to make it look like new. Create your own custom alterations and earn the ASE certifications that will give you the skills to succeed. In the Automotive Technology Program, you'll learn to troubleshoot complex automotive systems and use the same advanced diagnostic and repair equipment as master technicians. You'll experience how to maintain, repair, and fine-tune foreign and domestic vehicles on your way to earning ASE certification. Brakes, wheels, engines, alignment, and electronic systems. You'll develop the meaningful skills to troubleshoot and repair the advanced technology in today's sophisticated vehicles. The Career Technical Exploration Program is the only program on campus exclusively for sophomores. You'll explore a wide range of career fields, including carpentry, electricity, welding, horticulture, small engine repair, and more. Use the latest technology, equipment, and techniques to prepare for success. You can start building your competitive advantage and start planning your journey for your junior and senior year. This program often has a waiting list, so you're encouraged to apply before the priority deadline. In the carpentry program, you'll build the skills for a career that is fun and offers flexibility. From reading blueprints to building meaningful and necessary structures within our community, you'll learn to work with a variety of materials and tools. Students work both on and off campus on school and community projects that provide the experience that will give you a competitive advantage after graduation. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, you'll begin to develop the expertise and skills that will help you gain a competitive edge. Endless opportunity is what you will find in the Construction Technology Program. Creativity and problem-solving are two key skills you will develop as you explore all aspects of the construction industry. Begin your journey toward a lifelong career in skilled craft positions that require expertise, knowledge, and high levels of skill. Explore designing and building a variety of projects in the lab and on job sites off campus. Those meaningful experiences will give you an edge to start making money in this exciting field. When you look good, you feel good, and you always try to look your best. Help others get that feeling and develop your artistic talent in cosmetology. You'll work toward earning your Ohio State Board cosmetology license before graduation. Expand your skills in our professional salon, covering hair, nails, and skincare using the latest technology and trends with name brand products. Find your passion as a hairstylist, nail technician, or makeup artist, or explore the skills needed to start your own business. Want to serve and protect your community? Our criminal justice program sets the groundwork for a career in public service. Study patrol tactics, arrest techniques, search and seizure, investigation, and constitutional law. Gain hands-on experience in CPR, first aid, routine patrol, criminal investigation, crime scene reconstruction, and more. Prepare for your career with physical training and practical use of crime lab equipment. Join our criminal justice program and make a difference in your community. It's your restaurant. Culinary arts students operate the school's Harbor Room, a full-service restaurant open to staff, students, and the general public. You'll design the menu and prepare the meals in this fast-paced environment. Cook alongside a professional chef, preparing appetizers, soups, salads, entrees, and desserts for upscale and casual dining. You can also earn valuable Serve Safe certification and free college credits to take your culinary skills to a new level. Do you enjoy helping people learn new things? The Early Childhood Education Program is for you. Investigate how the mind develops and create exciting lesson plans. You are the teacher at atech State Certified Preschool. If you dream of helping children succeed, you'll get a head start on pursuing a career in education, or take your experience to work in the field right after graduation. You can also earn certifications and free college credits that will help you achieve more during your high school career. Power is everywhere. Your home, your school, your devices. Explore how you can make those connections in the electricity program. Begin your journey in this exciting field through meaningful experiences in the lab and on work sites. You'll learn commercial and residential systems, explore alternative energy, and examine how to install and maintain smart home systems. Build the skills and knowledge you need to become a certified electrician and earn free college credit to expand your opportunities after high school. The 2-year Engineering Academy gives you a dynamic opportunity to enter a highly skilled profession while also preparing for college. You'll rotate through 4 technology areas on the way to gaining meaningful experiences in the design and manufacturing process. Computer-aided design, CNC technology, working with mills and lathes, a water jet cutter, and 3D printing are just some of the things you will experience as you work on both individual projects and as part of a design team. Seniors team up with industry professionals to design and build a BattleBot. If you can dream it, you can design and build it in the Engineering Academy. Find a career that's as close to being a hero as you can be through our Firefighter EMT program. Students will train with fire equipment, live fire exercises, and practice a variety of rescue situations, including hazardous materials operations, while earning their Firefighter 1 and 2 certification and EMT Basic certification. Students will also gain hands-on experience performing actual patient care through EMS clinical field experience. Pursue your passion for helping others and become a hero in your community. Join our Firefighter EMT program today. In the Healthcare Academy, you'll gain the skills to be an essential worker. Find your passion focusing on medical, dental, or pharmaceuticals. You'll engage in high-level academics on the way to earning valuable industry certifications. Medical students can earn state-tested nurse assistant certification. Dental students can earn a dental radiography certificate. The pharmacy program is one of only 13 high school pharmacy technician training programs in Ohio. Choose your path and graduate with the certifications and free college credit that will give you a competitive advantage. The great outdoors become your classroom in the Environmental and Natural Resources program. You'll design, construct, and manage a variety of green spaces both on and off campus as you gain meaningful experiences. Explore and understand our natural resources, forests, rivers, and streams while working alongside state and local professionals. Use advanced technology and equipment to design and grow fruits, vegetables, flowers, and more for personal and commercial use. Experience the thrill of working in a rapidly changing, technology-driven industry in the IT Academy, where you will learn the fundamentals of computer and network technologies. You'll design and build computer networks, explore hardware, and use a variety of programming languages to develop websites, write code, and create applications. Program drones and robots, and perfect the skills necessary to investigate and mitigate threats in the area of cybersecurity. You'll troubleshoot, innovate, and problem-solve everything that keeps us connected for work and play. Fine-tune machines for maximum performance in the Power Sports and Outdoor Equipment program. Four-wheelers, tractors, lawnmowers, and more. You'll learn to weld, troubleshoot, maintain, and repair 2- and 4-cycle gas engines, diesel engines, and powertrain systems. You'll use the same advanced diagnostic tools and specialized equipment found in professional repair facilities. And you'll be on your way to earning the meaningful experience that will give you a competitive advantage. You'll make new friends in the Small Animal Care Program. Birds, dogs, rabbits, reptiles, and more will help you learn how to care for a wide variety of creatures. You'll learn the clinical procedures, nutritional diets, and grooming techniques that will help you prepare for certification as an approved veterinary assistant. You'll also have a chance to earn free college credit to help you follow your passion and love for animals. Express your creativity using the latest software and techniques in the Visual Design and Imaging program. You'll craft unique artistic works that express your personal creativity and vision. Find your passion using digital and traditional tools to develop a professional portfolio. Earn certifications and free college credit while having fun exploring all aspects of the industry, from photography to painting to digital design and much more. Earn multiple certifications on your way to launching a great career in welding. Industrial or artistic, you'll gain skills in a wide range of welding techniques, including a plasma cutter, arc welding, and more. Reach your potential through blueprint reading, pipe welding, and torch cutting, and develop meaningful skills that will give you a competitive edge in this high-demand and high-wage profession.